牛頭唔搭馬嘴，牛頭唔搭馬嘴。
It is an interesting Cantonese slang and used when two parties are unable to communicate because of confusion. Its direct translation is ox's head doesn't connect with horse jaw. For example,
你都牛頭唔搭馬嘴嘅，我哋都唔係講呢啲嘢，聽清楚至講啦。你都牛頭唔搭馬嘴嘅，我哋都唔係講呢啲嘢，聽清楚至講啦。
In English, it means, your ox's head doesn't connect with horse jaw. We are not talking that topic. Please listen clearly then button our conversation. There is another slang with the exact meaning of
牛頭唔搭馬嘴。
It is
九唔搭八，九唔搭八。
Its direct translation is 9 doesn't connect with 8. So the example can be rephrased to be
你都九唔搭八嘅，我哋都唔係講嗰啲嘢，聽清楚至講啦。你都九唔搭八嘅，我哋都唔係講嗰啲嘢，聽清楚至講啦。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.